sunlight floods the daycare playroom, bathing the scene in a warm glow as children play. Lily and Tom, absorbed in their world, meticulously construct towering block structures. Colourful blocks form intricate patterns, reflecting the children's focused concentration. Each block is carefully placed, a testament to their collaborative effort and shared imagination. The towers rise higher, reaching towards the sunlit windows, symbols of their boundless creativity. In this vibrant haven, Lily and Tom's laughter echoes, filling the room with pure, unadulterated joy. Chubby-cheeked Tom reaches for a bright red block, his eyes wide with curiosity in the bustling daycare playroom. Disaster strikes as Tom accidentally bumps into Lily's meticulously constructed tower. The colourful blocks scatter across the playmat as Lily's tower crashes to the ground. Lily's face crumples, her lower lip trembling, tears welling up in her bright blue eyes. In the vibrant daycare playroom, Tom looks utterly stricken, his eyes wide with remorse. He shrinks back, a shadow of guilt darkening his young face. His lower lip trembles, betraying the depth of his regret. The weight of his actions presses down on him, a visible burden. Surrounded by cheerful toys, his despondency is a stark contrast. Every playful colour seems to amplify his inner turmoil. Inside the vibrant daycare, Miss Cruz approaches with a comforting smile. Her eyes radiate warmth, a haven of safety in the colourful chaos. She kneels, her voice a gentle whisper in the bustling playroom. "Uh-oh, accidents happen," she says, her tone soft and reassuring. Her words carry the weight of understanding and care. "Let's call the kindness repair crew," she suggests, her eyes twinkling. Miss Cruz dons a sparkly kindness helmet with exaggerated flair, a beacon of playful authority in the daycare. The room shifts, colours brightening and toys rearranging themselves, as if responding to the helmet's magic. An atmosphere of wonder fills the room, every corner shimmering with newfound possibilities. The daycare transforms into a realm where imagination and kindness reign, all at Miss Cruz's command. The daycare bursts into a cartoonish kindness command center, lights flashing and gadgets whirring with cheerful chaos. Oversized buttons and swirling colors create a dizzying yet whimsical atmosphere. Animated screens display a kaleidoscope of kindness, adding to the playful pandemonium. Every corner is filled with bizarre, kid-friendly technology promoting compassion. Within the Kindness Command Center, animated tools drift into view, ready to spread joy and compassion. The sorry spray bottle fizzes, emitting a gentle cloud of sparkles, each one a whisper of forgiveness. A helping hand hammer hovers its friendly face, promising to mend what's broken with care and precision. The hug potion glows softly, contained within a heart-shaped vial, radiating warmth and affection. Each tool pulses with light, a beacon of hope and goodwill, ready to transform hearts and heal wounds. The Kindness Command Center stands ready, a vibrant hub for spreading empathy and understanding far and wide. Miss Cruz kneels, her face a mask of gentle concern, drawing closer to Lily in the Kindness Command Center. "I see a sad face. What happened?" Miss Cruz asks softly, her voice a soothing balm to Lily's distress. Lily's small frame trembles as she sniffs, her eyes glistening with unshed tears. With a voice thick with emotion, Lily explains the tragedy. Her tower, once so tall, now lies in ruins. Miss Cruz listens intently, her empathetic gaze never leaving Lily's face, acknowledging the weight of her loss. Miss Cruz leads Tom into the heart of the Kindness Command Center, a hive of purposeful activity. The screens flicker with data, each one a story of someone needing help. Miss Cruz points to a display. "It looks like Lily is upset. What can you do?" Tom pauses, his face a mixture of concern and determination. He looks around, absorbing the atmosphere of care and action. Tom prepares to spring into action, ready to bring kindness where it's needed. The Kindness Command Center fills with shimmering sparkles, a visual manifestation of Tom's heartfelt apology. Lily observes the spectacle, her stern features gradually softening under the warm, forgiving glow. The sparkles begin to dissipate, their radiant energy slowly fading, leaving a palpable sense of resolution. A quiet understanding settles in the room as the last vestiges of the sparkly apology disappear. Miss Cruz beams, presenting the helping hand hammer, a symbol of unity in the Kindness Command Center. Hesitation melts away as the children exchange determined glances, ready to face the challenge together. Small hands work in unison, carefully reconstructing the fallen tower, block by delicate block. A shared sense of purpose fills the room as cooperation blossoms amongst the young builders. The colorful blocks rise again, a testament to their newfound collaboration and kindness. Inside the Kindness Command Center, a shared sadness lingers, a weight of unspoken guilt hanging in the air. Side by side, they begin to work, their movements tentative yet synchronized. As focus deepens, the initial sadness starts to dissipate, replaced by a quiet determination. A sense of shared purpose ignites, their faces reflecting a burgeoning hope. In the heart of the command center, accomplishment blooms, a silent testament to their resilience. The Kindness Command Center stands tall, a beacon of hope resurrected, filled with the quiet pride of accomplishment. Miss Cruz breaks the silence, her voice gentle with warmth. "Now, how about a little comfort?" Tom extends the hug potion to Lily, a gesture of digital comfort in their tangible reality. As the potion activates, a soft, warm glow envelops Tom and Lily, a visual manifestation of a virtual embrace. The center pulses with renewed energy, the virtual hug a symbol of their resilience and shared kindness. Inside the Kindness Command Center, the atmosphere is thick with anticipation as Lily prepares her potion. A burst of radiant light fills the room as the hug potion envelops everyone, casting a warm glow on their faces. Lily giggles, her eyes sparkling with mischief and delight. The air, once heavy with tension, now lightens, replaced by a palpable sense of joy and relief. Smiles bloom across their faces, mirroring the potion's magical effect. The room transforms into a haven of laughter and warmth, a testament to Lily's kindness. The Kindness Command Center fades, dissolving back into the familiar chaos of the daycare playroom. Sunlight streams through the windows, illuminating scattered toys and colorful decorations. A towering block structure stands tall, a symbol of unity and cooperation. Each block carefully placed, embodying the children's repaired bond and renewed friendship. The playroom buzzes with the quiet energy of reconciliation and collaborative creation. Sunlight bathes the daycare playroom as Lily and Tom play beside their impressive tower, a symbol of their teamwork. Their laughter echoes, a symphony of joy and shared accomplishment. They laugh together, demonstrating empathy cooperation and emotional regulation. The tower stands tall, reflecting the strength of their bond and the joy of their shared creation.